So here we are. We have 2 pieces of pork belly. This is around 1.5 pounds. Okay, we're going to slice this very thinly to make our pork tocino. So let's get started. So I will just slice this into 3 like this. Okay. Just like that. Next, we're going to slice this very thinly, as thinly as we can. We'll try to slice it thin. Okay. So that one is good enough for me. There you go, guys. Thinly sliced pork belly. Next, we're going to season this. Okay, we'll put some salt, freshly ground black pepper. Okay, around 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So lemon juice will help tenderize our meat. And we're going to add 5 finely chopped garlic cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is optional. If you guys don't want to use baking soda, it's up to you, but this helps tenderize the meat more. Next, we're just gonna mix this all up. Massage and make sure all the meat is well coated with our ingredients and seasoning. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to leave this marinating in the fridge at least 2 hours before we cooked it, or even overnight. The longer the better. Okay, there you go. Okay guys, this tocino has been marinating for at least 2 hours. So we'll try to cook some, at least for my lunch, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll add 2 pieces of our tocino in a little pan. We'll put a little bit of water, okay, and let it simmer until it's all caramelized and nice and golden brown. Yes, a pork tocino, guys. I cooked this at least 10 minutes. So I waited till the meat is caramelized. And yep, that's it. It looks nice and juicy. And we'll serve it with some steamed rice, with some chopped tomatoes and onions. Calamunding on the side. And there you go. We have our homemade pork tocino. Let's try it. Very tender. Good. Delicious. Yum.